dear friends. My name is Shan Manjur and I study in 5th standard of Idara Sulandia Gatthali. I would like to narrate about this special occasion of Republic Day. First of all, I would like to say big thanks to my teachers for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you. We celebrate this day earlier on 26th of January. Similarly,